Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today we're diving into EspoCRM, a fantastic tool for businesses of any size. EspoCRM is a free open source CRM software that helps you manage customer interactions. It's designed to simplify organizing and accessing customers' information, improving communication and sales management. Plus, you can customize it to fit your specific needs and integrate it with other software to expand its capabilities. We'll start by logging into the test server to ensure everything is current. Then we'll clone the repo and tweak the environment file. Lastly, we'll get the container up and running. It's pretty straightforward, so let's get to it. First, let's ensure our server is up to date. Go ahead and jump into VS Code here and log into our server. First, we can issue the sudo apt-get update and get upgrade commands. Now that everything is up to date, we can clone the repo that I've had set up. After cloning this repo, you should have a new folder called Espo. Go ahead and change directory to that folder. Inside here, we should have two files, a Docker Compose and our .env file, environment file. The environment file is what we need to modify. So inside VS Code, we can just type in code and then the file .env. And then basically fill in the blanks for all of the environment variables. They're pretty self-explanatory. So the first one's going to be the root password for your database. The next is the database name. Next is going to be the database user. And then the DB password for that user. Next we have the Espo admin configuration. This is going to be what you use to log into the web page. First we have the username. We'll leave as admin. Password, just set you an admin password. And then the site URL will be whatever your domain name is. For this example, I'm using stevestechstuff.duckdns.org. And then finally, the SSL registration email. This will be the email address used to register your SSL certificate at Let's Encrypt. Once you have all of this information filled out, go ahead and Control S to save this file. In order for any reverse web proxy like Traffic or Nginx Proxy Manager or Caddy to work, you must forward ports 80 and 443 from the outside world to this proxy manager, whichever one you're using. The forwarding process takes place on your router and can vary between manufacturers. Please see your router manufacturer's port forwarding or server features for more information on this. Now that we have our configuration set in the environment file, we can run Docker Compose up-d to launch our Docker containers. Now we can see here at the bottom that the network and volumes have been created and the Docker containers have been started. To copy the URL from line 10 and open up our browser and browse to it, we can log into EspoCRM. This will use the credentials set on lines 8 and 9. And here's the EspoCRM dashboard, all set up and ready to go. Please note that additional configurations such as setting up email servers will be necessary to take full advantage of EspoCRM. These settings vary based on your email provider, so you'll need to contact your email provider for more information to set this up. But otherwise, that is it. Set up EspoCRM using Docker. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.